Morning, everybody. Well, welcome to Richmond's Place Homestead. Today going to be a sad news on our homestead. Rooster's getting ready to pass away. He's not going to make it. He's still breathing a little bit, but I think it's time that we put him out of his misery today, and that we give him a good burial. Since yesterday, he's become very, he doesn't want to move. Since yesterday afternoon, he won't get up by himself, so he's dying. Terrible. I mean, the foxes got a hold of him. They did a lot of damage. They definitely broke a leg, did some damage to his neck. Thought he was going to live through this. It looked like he was getting better, and he's taking a turn for the worst.
As you can see, he's just kind of laying there. Still breathing, but yeah. Today it's time to take him out of his misery. It's going to be sad for us. Really hoping that he'd make a comeback, but life goes on. Here at the homestead, it's just the way it is with chickens. You're going to have chickens, they're going to come and go. We've lost chickens to predators, hawks. We lost one to a raccoon. So they got hit by a car. 3 of them got hit by a car. 2 of the 3 passed away. So it's just how things go sometimes. And it's just the fact of having chickens, especially when we free range them, you can expect some to pass away through that. So it's just the way it is. He was a good rooster. He would make sure that the chickens were put up at night. He would protect them, and I think, he probably gave a few of them a chance to live, because he was out here protecting the flock, and looks like he was the first one that the foxes took out. So says a lot about the rooster. Everybody, since last night, instead of coming back out here and finishing up there and building the gate, I fell asleep in the easy chair. Not sure how that happened. I kind of sleep anywhere. Anyhow, today we're going to build the gate. We'll start cutting up some wood. We know we need to be a little over 8 feet apart. So we'll see how this goes. Alright, we are ready to start putting things together here. Alright, we got one gate almost done. Gotta get a couple of hooks. And we have to get, well, we have to get 2 hooks, maybe 4, and 2 handles. And this project will be complete. We'll start using it tonight by leaning it up. And it's out of work. Alright, we're going to close it up for another night. Let's see, show you what the gate's going to look like once we get the hooks on it and stuff, but it's pretty nice. Rebecca's been out there planting her butt off today. It's been a tough day. We gave the rooster till the end of the day today. Didn't work out, so we had to put him down. And he's all buried now. This is Matt.
And Rebecca.
And God bless. Hope you had a great weekend. And we'll see you tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, share these videos. We appreciate it. Have a good night.